And the next option is insert object, that the settings of this option is different, that in this slide you want to create a new file, that it can be any file, like Illustrator, Photoshop, bitmap, Excel, and whatever. For example, I select the Excel chart and click on OK. The Excel file is opened and the chart is selected by default. That I can regulate the related settings to the chart. When I click 2 times out of the slide, this chart will be transferred from the Excel to my slide. That when you click 2 times on the chart, that says if you want to regulate the related settings to the chart. Click on the convert option, that this chart converted into the PowerPoint chart. That the related design and format tab to the chart. Opening the PowerPoint, that you can regulate the related settings to the chart easily in the PowerPoint. In this way, you can use insert object, or you can add a slide into the slide. I remember that I have done it here. Yes, by using the Microsoft PowerPoint slide option, a slide will be added into your slide here. The title is typed, and when you click once, it will be added into your slide.